Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C15 and let me show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's find additional settings and choose accessibility. Here let's choose the Talkback, and now it is obviously off, but if you want to turn it on, simply click on the switcher here and allow Talkback to have full control of your device and click OK. And as you can hear, now we've got the Talkback on, and now I will show you how to navigate here. If you want to select something, then you have to simply click on this once and see the green frame, and after that double click to get back, for example. To swipe, then simply use two fingers in order to scroll, for example, the settings. To get to the Talkback and turn it off, simply click once and twice again. Then click on twice here and twice on turn off. So that's all. This is how you enable Talkback in your REALME C15, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.